got Justin Bieber's latest hit single, Orangutan Pussy.
Orangutan Pussy! Orangutan Pussy! Orangutan Pussy! Daddy, that song is gay as f***!
That's why your shoes raggedy. That's why your mama did.
Yo, she got a fat ass.
What the heck?
Patrick's sister got a fat ass. From SpongeBob. Oh, yeah, if you go like under the sea one day, and then you see like fucking SpongeBob in his whole house. You gotta be close to see that shit. They too fucking like pineapple, bro.
Right here. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, the quality.
Wait, what? Do you hear that? Every day. You're in a fucking car, bro. Alright, bro. If you die, you die. Bro, go fighter, I'm gonna fucking kill you, bro. Stop playing with the fucking microwave and come over. Yo. On TikTok. Bro, shut the fuck up. Alright, bro.
God damn it, I hate Instagram and this new fucking update. Puss ass shit. You garbage, Instagram. Fix that fuck ass shit trying to be like TikTok.
Like, nah, chill, bro. Why you so slow? Tell me to shut the fuck up back. Damn. Alright, okay. Every shit. You know Pablo Escobar? He got a... Yeah. He got a pony. Bro, I swear to God, he got a pony, but... He got a horse and he just fucking, put like, you know, staples? He stapled. Yeah. That was better. Yeah, let's make a pony. What the fuck? This guy was right here the whole time. What the fuck? Can y'all fucking help me? Oh my god, bro. I swear, bro. I started shooting people up, bro.
Fuck! God! What a fucked up day!
Where are we going?
It's Batman. Batman, I'm like,
Where are we going now?
it's just real. Like the real Batman. Dude, I think it's the real Batman, probably. Like, not Travis Scott, not the yellow one, but it's like the actual Batman.
This is Michael Keaton
It
plays
is the actual
Batman.
So what do we think about this debt?
Bro, what the fuck is wrong with your head, bro? Bro, what is mentally going on with you? Oh, like you fucking idiot. Like, you're so fucking stupid. You're like, how do you compare to me?
Okay, just go back to party, just go back.
Fucking idiots.
Just go back.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up?
Nothing. Not.
It is bad. What are you talking about?
It goes through 5 builds. That's good.
I mean, that's it. That's the only reason why it's good.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna land on one of these little jets. Cool.
This Tino Yoshi guy was better, I wouldn't be dead right now. Bro, I just got shot again, Tino Yoshi. Oh, you're it. Bro.
I put crack in their hot dogs.
What the heck?
Or you're bad.
No, you're bad. You didn't save me.
Well, he has the baby skin.
Okay.
Marcus, don't be rude.
Yeah, Marcus.
Yeah, come on, Marcus. Oh, I forgot to grab the card. Hey, yeah, who Marcus?
Marcus, I'm a very nice man. Don't be mean.
Yo, can you tell Marcus that I want to be friends with him on Epic Games?
Marcus, can Tino Yoshi be friends with you on Epic Games?
It's a baby.
Also, are you playing as a baby?
It's the baby.
Marcus. You're playing as a baby, Marcus.
Is there any drones left?
Huh?
I don't have any more drugs, no, I'm sorry.
Wait.
Baby, come here.
Bro, who just invited me to a party on Xbox?
Not me.
Is it the banana?
Banana.
Banana, do something funny if you invite me to a party. Is that the funny thing? Is dropping that the funny thing?
A boy.
No? Okay.
Boy.
A boy!
There's
It's
a
a
boy.
boy!
Boy, burn down the trees! Burn down the trees!
About 325
The baby needs
Hey,
healing.
I don't care about your friend.
Yeah,
Heal
heal the baby.
Jack, show me.
Can I have the Venom Grab Smash?
There's a lot of commotion going on in the background.
Yeah, bro. Wait. Is this a Mexican household you're in? Or am I incorrect?
Uppercut. Oh my god, I just uppercutted the dog with this. Oh, uppercut. Oh!
There's a lot of things going on in the background. There's just the dog and the vacuum. It'd be a Mexican household.
But you're the dog.
Pooping. He was pooping.
The baby's dying! The baby's dying!
Baby's dying! Baby's dying! Save the baby! Save the baby! Oh my god, baby's dead! Baby's dead! We gotta save the baby! Save the baby! Save the baby! Oh my god!
Take that! Take that!
Yeah, get him! Get him! Get him!
Got the minigun right here, shooting at him.
Banana, I already know you're the best at this game, so go, you got this, you got this. You can get him, you can save him. You can save his life.
Burn. Alright, get the baby's card, get the baby's card. Alright, I got the baby's card.
Hey, Banana, since we're friends, can I have that pump? Please. No, the legendary one, please. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm gonna bring the baby back to life.
You're about it. I also need medium ammo, honestly. Oh, is that for me?
The baby! The baby has
such a
been
nice
reborn.
I'll remember you.
It is me, Fortnite John. I was just here to ask if I could show off my patch to Andy montage. Alright, thank you for letting me show it. Now I'm gonna go now. Now put a video of my friend Devin James on there. I think he would really appreciate it.
No
He jumped on it.
I know.
Alright, Banana, show me your best emo in Fortnite right now, go. Whoa, zero, go! Oh, Midas dance!
Bro, Midas dance right here.
There's enemies.
This is Midas dance right now. Let's. Bro, where are they? We're gonna shoot them like it's Hong Kong and they're protesting.
Hong Kong and they're protesting.
You haven't heard the Hong Kong protest, bro?
Nah, man.
They're
wheels.
They fighting for their rights.
They be fighting for their independence.
Yeah, they're fighting for their appendix, yeah. They said China stole their appendix. Bro, they Islamic, bro. They committing terrorism.
This man just be running, bro.
Bro, they creating terrors on our isms. Bro, he was bad, dude. Bro, he's cheeks, dude. He's bad. Like, good job, Mr. Banana. You saved the day.
I got the kill.
The baby got
He
the kill.
probably did, after all.
At least
Banana has all the kills on the team.
At least I have the gold RPG.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty good, but Banana has a gun, so...
So do I have a green pump, purple sniper, purple AR, and a gold RPG.
Well, Banana has
Chill out.
Midas dance.
I need help.
Oh, guys, we need to save.
Wait,
Oh, God, we gotta save. You gotta save the actual guy who's making the content for the video. No, doesn't matter right now. We need to save him. No!
Alright, my nigga, what the fuck it is? It's your boy. Eat that pussy 445.